Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel. In this simple video, I'm gonna show you how you can edit multiple clips at once in the CapCut apps. So step on your project, select your videos or photos that you like to edit, for example. So to edit multiple clips at once, for example, I'm going to add the filters, select filters and select the filters that I want. Adjust all the filters and click check mark. So to apply to all the clips, all we have to do just change for the duration until the end of the clips, and you can see all clips have the same effect, and it also applies to others. For example, select effect, select video effect, and for example I'm going to add this one and click the check mark and just for the duration until the end of the clip. And as you can see, the clips, all clips have the same effect. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.